Urgency, the second way to make your offer more powerful. In this video, I will tell you about the second force, urgency, that will help you make your unbeatable offer more attractive and more desirable to your potential customers. What is urgency and why is it needed? Hi, my name is Dmitro. I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words, and it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. Urgency is when you increase the demand for your offer and reduce the potential client's resistance by reducing the time, the validity of the offer. You force the potential customer to buy now and not hesitate to get your offer on the best terms while they last. Urgency is a function of time. You limit the time that people can take advantage of your offer. Here are four main types of urgency: cohort-based rolling urgency, rolling seasonal urgency, pricing or bonuses-based urgency, and exploding opportunity. First type, cohort-based rolling urgency. What is it? This is when, for example, at the beginning for each week or at the beginning of each month, another stream of your studies begins. And to get on it, customers must pre-register and pay for it before it starts. Those who did not manage to take advantage of the offer in time must wait for the next week or the next month to get into a new study stream. A small thing like this makes people more decisive and make a buying decision sooner. Obviously, the less often you run learning streams, the more powerful this urgency is. For example, if you recruit a group of clients not every month but only 2 times a year, people will be more likely to sign up, especially as the deadline approaches. How to use this urgency in online business? Once a month or even once a year, at a certain time, you can conduct some group training for your customers and teach them something. And in order to get to it, your customers will need to register in advance and pay for this training. Because if they do not have time, they will have to wait for a new stream. Rolling seasonal urgency, the second type. In a digital environment, a registration deadline and a countdown timer are very useful. But they must be true. If this is not the case, then you will lose people's trust. Rolling seasonal urgency will come in handy here. This is when you use different holidays, New Year's, Easter, and different events, your birthday, Black Friday, to have end dates for your promotions, sales, or launches. Deadlines will drive people to make a purchase decision. You don't just have to have deadlines, you also need to include them on your landing pages to encourage people to buy, so they don't miss it. Having end dates on your landing pages will greatly increase their conversion. How to use seasonal urgency in online business? You can periodically sell your existing offers at specific times, on holidays, events that are important to you, and offer potential customers to buy them during these periods of time at a significantly favorable price or on significantly favorable terms. They will receive 2 offers for the price of 1. Pricing or bonuses-based urgency, the third type of urgency. This is another way to create urgency through your offer, structure, and pricing. That is, you have a deadline when your potential customers can get your offer at the best price or in full with all the declared bonuses. This urgency allows entrepreneurs who sell their product or service year-round to use this powerful force. Their goods can be bought at any time, but they offer potential customers a price promotion, discount, or additional bonuses if they buy right now or at some specific time period. How to use it? For example, when you launch new offers, you can offer potential customers to buy your offer during this period, launch period, at the best price or with the maximum number of bonuses. And then after the launch, sell this offer more expensively or with fewer bonuses or without them at all. In this way, you can significantly increase the number of sales of your offer during the period of its launch. exploding opportunity. Sometimes you can offer potential customers some trending opportunities, and to emphasize that every second of hesitation will cause them a very significant benefit. For example, some new tool appears, some new social network or the same service with artificial intelligence, and you offer an educational product, video course on it. The sooner a person understands this tool, the sooner he will be able to benefit from it and the less competition he will face in the market. This forces potential customers to make quick decisions and buy your product or to get the most favorable terms. If you have an offer that will disappear over time or will no longer be as attractive, then highlight it so that potential customers are aware and are more likely to buy it. How to use this kind of urgency? You can follow new trends, create products that will be related to these new trends, and to encourage potential customers to buy your products in order to be among the first to get the maximum benefit from these trends. Adding a deadline and including one or more forms of urgency will get more people to take up your offer. Therefore, be sure to use urgency in your online business. I hope this video was helpful for you, and in the next video I will tell you about the third force that will make your offer more powerful, about guarantee. So I advise you to subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the next video. I'm waiting for your likes and comments as a sign of gratitude. I wish you a good day and good mood. Bye bye.